Welcome to Custom Classics. We're a leading restoration facility that's located in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. With over 40 years of experience in the automotive industry, we have the skills and knowledge to restore and maintain your classic car or truck to its former glory. We specialize in all aspects of the classic car and truck restoration, from concours quality restorations and custom Pro Touring or Restomod builds to smaller wake-up and recommissioning projects and mechanical maintenance. At Custom Classics, we are also experts in custom car builds. Whether you want to turn your classic car into a modern Pro Touring machine or create a one-of-a-kind Restomod, we have the experience and the resources to make your vision a true reality. Our team of trained and certified professionals will work with you every step of the way to bring your custom car dreams to life. From custom paint to performance upgrades, ride quality, custom interiors, and custom bodywork, we can handle all aspects of the build process. For many of our clients, their collector car is more than just a means of transportation. It's a piece of history, a connection to their past, an investment, or a source of pride and joy. That's why we are proud to be restoring yesterday's classic cars for today's driving pleasures. Don't let your classic car dreams be just a dream. Check out our website and give us a call when you're ready to bring those dreams to reality.